Excitement and anticipation reached a fever pitch at the 2025 Apple event, where the tech giant just pulled back the curtain on a lineup that could transform the gadgets we use every day. 8 brand new devices were introduced, each one promising to shake up the market and spark conversations among fans and skeptics alike. Here's the big reveal. Apple officially launched 4 new iPhones, including the much-awaited iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro Max, and the entirely fresh iPhone Air, which is already stirring debates over its design and target audience. But that's just the beginning. The company also refreshed its wearable offerings with 3 new Apple Watch models, signaling an aggressive push into health and fitness tech. Finally, the AirPods Pro 3 hit the stage, boasting next-level noise cancellation and features that audiophiles have been begging for. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users are already questioning whether these upgrades are truly innovative or merely incremental steps in Apple's product evolution. Our reporting team, Sam Rutherford, Billy Steele, and myself, are now deep in the demo area, getting our hands on these devices for the first time. We're gathering honest, unfiltered impressions, and we'll continue updating you as we put the new hardware through its paces. Just imagine. Will the iPhone Air turn out to be a game-changing entry, or will it divide loyal fans? And this is the part most people miss. The real value of these launches will depend on not just specs, but how they fit into your lifestyle and tech ecosystem. Did you skip the live unveiling? No worries. You can catch a replay of the entire Apple event and relive every jaw-dropping moment over on YouTube. Now, here's my question for you. Are these new Apple releases redefining innovation, or have we reached a point of diminishing returns? Do you believe Apple is still leading the tech revolution, or just playing it safe? Share your thoughts below and join the debate.